Hello, everyone. My name is Miss Blagg, and I teach at Southwell Middle School. And today we're going to be talking about need versus want and money, some things you might want to buy with that money. So first, we're going to talk about need versus want. So I have a question. Which one do you need? Water. Yes, we need water. We have to drink water in order to survive. If we don't drink water, we die. What about this one? Do we need or want this? We want it, right? We want to throw it. We want to play in the house with these. So a football, a soccer ball, those are things that we want. So today we're going to be looking at need versus want. We're going to be talking about writing and speaking. So I want you to be able to write some sentences using need and want, and also be able to explain with your speaking some things you would like to buy. Okay? So here we go. What is a need? A need is something like water you need to survive. What else do you need? Food, clothes, good. What about want? Is something you would like to have. So like a football, a soccer ball, baseball, what else? Maybe a bicycle, a new phone, all those kind of things. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some examples. So look at this picture and this picture. Which one do you need? The house, very good. So I need a house. Which one do you want? The talkies, good. So when you are thinking about need versus want, think of something you have to have, that is your need, and want is just something you would like to have. Okay, so now let's do some more examples. So I'm going to give you a minute to read these and try them on your own. So number one, I blank food. Need, good. Number two. I blank a new video game. Want, good. Now you try these last three on your own. I blank oxygen. Oxygen is I need, good. Number four, I blank a job. I need a job, good. And number five, I blank clothes. Yes, I need. All right, now, so you take a turn and write some sentences on your own that you need or want. This is a time where you can pause the video and come back to this. So now, where do you buy food? Think of the last time you went to the store. Maybe you went to a grocery store. Maybe you went to Walmart or the Dollar General. What kind of food did you buy? Maybe you bought something to make soup. Maybe you bought some meat or some vegetables. Maybe you bought some fruit. So now think about the parts of a store, or maybe like Walmart. What are some of the sections? How is it divided? So there's like the toy section, and in there would we find need or want? In the toys, we would find want. What about in the food section? probably need, right? So we're going to go through the grocery side where we buy food and review food. Then we're going to talk about money. So we're going to use I need or I want, and then we're going to have that whatever food we're buying. So we might say I need milk, but we would say I want ice cream. Okay, so what about the dairy section? What would you find there? Maybe some cheese, milk, ice cream, yogurt, or some sour cream or butter. So write down a sentence with I need or I want in one of these things that you might want to buy. Now, what about in the meat section? What would you see there? Steak, fish, chicken, turkey, or bacon. So write a sentence now with I need or I want from the meat section. Okay. What about in frozen foods? This is where it's brrr. Maybe some vegetables like peas or a dinner. Ooh, popsicle. Maybe some hot dogs or some green beans. So now I need or I want. Now, what would you find in the produce section? So yeah, this is where you find fruits or vegetables. So I thought about fruits like apples, grapes, ooh, mangoes, strawberries, a banana, maybe a pineapple or a kiwi. So which one do you need or want? Now, a challenge is if you want to do one with a vegetable that you need or want. Okay, last section, the dry goods. This is where you might find things already in a bag or packaged. So an example might be flour or sugar, Oreos, or maybe some dry goods like beans, rice, or pasta. Can you write a sentence with need or want of something from the dry goods section? Okay, so now we're going to talk about American money. So in American money, there are two things. There are dollars and there are cents. So there are dollars that look like these, which are paper. And then there are coins that look like these, and these are the cents. So every time you see American money, you will see a dollar sign. Then you will see something here. And there will be a number. That is how many dollars right here on the the left side of the decimal. And then there will be cents over here. And we read them together in English. So this is the number 50. So we read this as $1.50. Notice I inserted an and here because we always, if there is a dollar and a cents, we put an and there. So now we're going to go through the money, and I would like for you to repeat after me. So $1, $1, $5, $5, $10, $10, $20, $20. Notice that these are to the left over here of the decimal, so we know that there are dollars, and it can be written in numbers or in words. Now let's do the cents. So these are called coins or cents in English. So we have a number and we have a word that goes with each coin. So please repeat. 25 cents. A quarter. 10 cents. A dime. 5 cents. A nickel. 1 cent. A penny. Very good, thank you. So now we're going to practice speaking using our money and our need and want sentences with food. So we're going to have at the beginning some food that we either need or want, and then we're going to have what it costs, and we're going to use it is. So I might say, I need milk and it is $3. Can you say this one? I want Oreos and it is $5. Excellent. So here are some examples of foods and prices. So let's do one together. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to pick flour. So the first thing I need to think of is, do I want or do I need it? Flour. I need flour. I have to have flour. So I would say I need flour. Then I need to look at the price. So I have this one, that is dollars. There is something after here, so I know with the period I must put and then say the cents. So $3.30. So my full sentence, I need flour and it is $3.30. All right, let's try another one. How about broccoli? Do I want or need broccoli? It's debatable, isn't it? I need broccoli. So I would say I need broccoli. Now I've got to look at my price. How do I say this number? 75. Okay, so I might practice that before I say it. So I'd say I need broccoli and it is $1.75. Okay, so now what I want you to do is I want you to speak 5 sentences to your friend or parent about things that you want or need. So go ahead and look at these options and pick out some things. Can you find 5 that you would want or need at the store? Okay, if you need more time, go ahead and pause your video, but don't forget to practice your speaking because that's where you're going to improve the most. I know it's hard, but practicing what you say is good. So thank you very much. I really appreciate you spending some time with me today, and I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to actually write your sentences and practice speaking so that you can learn, okay? So I hope you have a great day. It's been lovely to hang out with you. I hope you're all safe and well.